Hi, it's Chantal from Freshly Real, and today I'm going to show you how to bake a grain-free loaf. Keep watching. I'm just unsticking the dough to begin with. 2 tablespoons of gluten-free, aluminum-free, corn-free baking powder. And then I am just going to kind of mix it up in the bowl. So we just want to combine it a little bit, and then we're going to take the dough ball and we are going to place it right here. And we're just going to put some here, and then we're just going to do a rectangular shape, just like so. You can put a little bit more flour if you need to. And then we are just going to fold it in half, and then we're going to fold it in half again. And then we'll do this 1 to 2 more times. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. I'm going to just stretch it out a little bit. This is not really kneading the dough, but it's more like a folding of the dough. So we're just going to stretch it out a little bit. And then again, we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold it in half again. One more time. And this is going to be the time where we are going to shape the loaf into a ball. So again, we're going to just go in half, and then we are going to go in half again. And then when we do this last one, we're just going to tuck, and if you have to sprinkle it a little bit again, do so. You just want these seams to be underneath. Right now, I don't like this side here, so we're just... That looks pretty good. Dough on a piece of parchment, and we're gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes until your oven is really nice and hot. Another little dusting. You can do this step before you cover it or after. Alright, so this is how we're going to leave it. And then you just cover it with a tea towel. And we're just going to set it here for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. I'm going to uncover the dough. Kind of put a little bit too much. I'm going to go to go this way, and then I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is a combination of olive oil and water. It could just be water. I'm going to spray the loaf. And then it goes in the hot pan. And then you have to move fairly quick, but we are going to cover it. And then we're going to place hot oven quick. You can see I have my Dutch oven, and then I have my baking stove. And then we set the clock for 25 minutes covered. And then we'll be back. After 25 minutes, I take off the cover. Very hot, so be careful. And then you set it for another 25 minutes uncovered. This is the part where I have to take the bread out, and I can move the pot, but you can also remove the parchment paper, and then we need to leave it for another 10 minutes at least. I look at this loaf and I tap even is good. So good.